old vines, once overlooked, are now producing some of the world's finest wines. But how old is an old vine? Actually, there's no world standard for this. But what I can tell you is that after you plant a grapevine, it takes about 3 or so years for it to produce fruit, and between 7 and 12 to become mature. So we usually see bottles start to label old vines after 35 or so years, but vines can continue to mature for hundreds of years. Do you know what I'm drinking? In this glass is a wine that's a tribute to a heritage and revival of old vines. The first thing we'll do is to take a look at its color. Oh my, a medium garnet color with lots of legs. It's powerful and mature. Let's give it a sniff. Raspberry tart, dried fall leaves, black tea, black currant, and a whiff of vanilla. There's some intensity here from sunshine indicated by all that ripe fruit. We've also got an aged aroma, those dried leaf smells, and vanilla from oak aging. Let's check the structure. This wine is full-bodied with fresh acidity and a powerful palette of dark fruits. I do get some structured but ripe tannins. The mixture of ripeness and power with freshness points us to a continental climate, and the fruit factor's elevated alcohol is pretty typical for this particular variety. So what is it and where is it from? Is it Cabernet from Napa Valley, Syrah from Paso Robles, Zinfandel from Amador County, or Malbec from Mendoza, Argentina?
The ripeness of fruit here and higher alcohol level is consistent with all of those grapes and regions, as are the tannins. However, we'd expect all black fruit like cassis from Malbec and Cabernet. I'd also expect some pepperiness from Syrah and a deeper color. Here, the strawberry note and that mixture of ripe and fresh aromas are consistent with Zinfandel. Zinfandel, especially from old vines, is a match made in heaven for producing high-quality concentrated fruit. And you will find some amazing old vines in one of California's up-and-coming regions. Located in the Sierra Foothills, Amador County was first to cultivate Zinfandel in California and has the highest mountain vineyards in the state. This higher elevation provides cooler nights for Zinfandel, allowing the grapes to revive and refresh each day. And that means more acid and more nuanced flavors in our glass. If you're looking for a place to find some excellent wines and you want to enjoy the pioneering spirit of the gold prospectors of old, make sure you check out Amador County. Okay, Madeline, it's time for the big reveal.
Today we're tasting EASTON. This is their Zinfandel from the 2016 vintage. EASTON is part of Terre Rouge Winery. The name Terre Rouge means red earth, and they have vineyards in volcanic and granitic red soils. But let's not take my word for it. Here's Bill Easton.
Hey, Wine Folly people. Welcome to Amador County, an incredible place to grow old vine Zinfandel in the Sierra Nevada, about 2 hours east of San Francisco and about an hour southeast of Sacramento. You can see the spectacular fall colors. It's a beautiful day here. It rained a little bit last night. I have the wine with me that is in your package. It's the 2016 EASTON Amador County Zinfandel. It's one of several Zinfandels we make, but it's drinking particularly well right now. Our Zins take a little extra time in the bottle to come around. They're made in the classic style. They're balanced, they're dry. They're not port-like, they're spicy. They drink more like a really good classic Italian red. So thanks for checking it out. Please come visit us if you ever happen to be in the area.
Wow, so there you have it. You're one glass deeper into the fascinating world of wine. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club. And if you'd like to taste along, you can become a member. And we've got more videos like these coming up, so definitely subscribe if you want to learn more about wine. Until next time, happy tasting, peace out.